fully automatic knife sharpener, round nose milling cutter grinding tutorial. Connecting to the power supply. Turn on the power switch. Click to enter the processing page. Click on the tool type. Select a round nose milling cutter and the corresponding number of milling cutter edges, edge diameter and R angle size. After selecting, click Confirm. Open the machine sliding door. Turn on the LED work light. Select the corresponding size ZD collet. Remove the chuck cover. Put ZD collet into the collet cover and install it on the center shaft. Insert the round nose milling cutter that needs to be sharpened. Locking tool. Click the start button at the bottom of the screen. The machine will automatically complete the tool grinding according to the program settings. Loosen the chuck cover and remove the round nose milling cutter. Round nose milling cutter grinding completed. Effective.